Clients usually decide whether to trust your Upwork profile in under 10 seconds, and most of that decision comes from your title, photo, and first 2 lines. That's why profile optimization matters more than sending more proposals. By the end of this, you'll know how to make your Upwork profile stronger so more clients click, reply, and hire. Start with your title. Your title is search-based. Clients type specific services. If your title says freelancer or virtual assistant, it's too broad. Write exactly what you do. SEO content writer. Tori. Shopify product designer. Short form video editor. That makes you easier to find. Next is your profile photo. Use a clear headshot with good lighting. No logos. No group photos. No cropped selfies. Clients want to see who they're hiring. That lowers friction. Now your overview. The first 2 lines matter most because that's what clients see first. Start with the result you help create. Bad. I'm a passionate freelancer. Better. I help YouTube creators edit short-form videos that improve retention and increase watch time. That tells clients the outcome. Then explain your process. Keep it simple. Mention your tools too. For example, I use Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, and After Effects for fast turnaround edits. That adds context. Next, fix your portfolio. A weak portfolio kills trust fast. Add 3 to 5 strong samples. Not 20 random ones. Only upload work tied to the service you're selling. If you want logo work, show logos. If you want blog writing, show articles. Keep it aligned. Now skills and niche. Don't list 25 skills. Pick the main ones. If you do web design, don't also list bookkeeping and voiceovers. A focused profile gets better clients. Then your rate. Check what others in your niche charge. If most entry-level editors charge $20 to $40 an hour, pricing yourself at $5 can hurt trust. Cheap doesn't always win. Lastly, collect testimonials. If you're new, use work from outside Upwork and add client feedback in your portfolio descriptions if allowed. Proof builds trust faster than promises. Quick recap. Use a clear niche title. Write an outcome-focused bio. Upload relevant samples. Keep your skills focused. Set a realistic rate. Your next step is simple. Spend 30 minutes rewriting your profile before sending another proposal. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more freelancing breakdowns.